welcome back to my channel. This is Lorraine. A couple weeks ago I posted a video of my Valentine's paper that I purchased at Michael's, and I'm going to do a little craft with you. So what you want to do, they're super cute. You can use any size paper you want, but it has to be square because we're going to be folding, and so it has to be exact, a square, not any other shape, but a square. We're going to make these little gift card pocket holder envelopes. This one is from Christmas, when I use my Christmas papers, double-sided. You can use double-sided or you can use single-sided, it doesn't matter, it's just a preference, but we're going to start off with a double-sided. Let's see, we're just gonna use this pink right here. We've got a little light pink and then it's a little bit darker on the other side. I'm gonna move these out of the way. And what you're going to do is you are going to take your paper and you are going to fold it where the point meets up, and you are going to fold it and just kind of crease it down with your bone folder. And you're going to take this point and you're going to pull it all the way down to where it touches the bottom. And you're going to fold it, or crease it again. I'm sorry, I'm a little jumbled today. And see this little, where it touches right here, this little piece right here, you're going to fold this over. So I'm going to turn it this way. I'm going to use my nail and I'm going to fold it so it goes across like that. And you're going to do the other side. It kind of looks like an origami type thing, doesn't it? So you're going to do this. This, and then you're gonna fold it over. This paper is a little thick, so it doesn't really crease very well. So I'm gonna try one. After this one, I'll do one with a thinner paper and a single-sided. So you've got that. And you're gonna open this up, open that up, and then you're gonna do that. Fold it back under, and then you're gonna flip this lid right over, flip the little flap right over like that. But first, you want to, or if you don't want to, you're gonna trim the corners like that. And see, isn't that super cute? This one's kind of plain because it's just a solid color, but what you can do is, at this point, I'm gonna take a little bit of glue and we'll just run it across there and right there. Oops, it's a little messy. Okay, and then this one, I'm gonna put a little dab right on the back and fold it down. And it doesn't want to stick. The Elmer's glue does not want to stick. Well, let's see here. Okay. Now, I have some stickers here. Let's kind of decorate a little bit. These are some of the ones I bought with my little haul. Well, this would be cute. It's got the little envelope with some flowers. Let's put that on there. Maybe to make it look sealed. That looks cute. And what can we put across the top? How about, this would be cute. Oops. Sorry guys. Let's see here. Put you right here. There we go. See? Just like that. You can fit a little gift card right in there. You can decorate it. You can put the person's name on the back, or maybe you can put some more stickers back there. But how cute is that? Super simple. Anyone can do this. So this was, like I said, thicker paper. Works a little bit better with a thinner, so I did this one here earlier. It's not Valentine, but it could be. It's got some pink in it. So let's pick one with some thinner paper. Oops, that's not it. Let's see. This could be it. This paper here is not Valentine themed. but it is thinner paper. And it's one-sided. So let's try this one. See how this one's gonna work. Oops. Okay, so again, we are going to take one edge up to the other point, like that, okay? And that's so thin you don't really need the bone folder to do the crease. And then this comes back down to the bottom, increase it. And you take this part right here and fold it over. And I don't know why my voice just went high. Okay, and this one, I think I did that backwards. Okay. So then you flip this up, you fold that down, and it's gonna look like that. So you can have it like this, or if you want the pattern the other way, you can do it. Let's see what it'll look like going the other direction. Let's see, let's do it this way. We'll fold it like that. And like that. I think I like this way better. Let's see. And like that. So now you got more color showing. Okay, so I like that. I like it better that way. Just gonna cut that. It's gonna look like that. How cute. See? So you just do your little glue. This will probably glue a little bit better too. Okay. And this one comes down, a little dot right there. And that is just perfect. So then you've got your little pocket envelope. You can use this for gift cards. You can maybe use it for your junk journals. You can use it to tuck money in. You can, like the ones I did for Christmas, you can set them up on the tree, a little decor with your little cards in it. What else can you do? I think that's, oh, I did some other ones. I did some bigger ones. I haven't finished decorating them yet, but this is the 12 by 12 paper. This one is single-sided, so I wanted the pattern to show on the flaps. It's just all white. And then this one is two-sided paper. So, turned out really cute. But that is, let's do another one. Yeah, let's do another one, because I've got all these stickers here I want to use them. Okay, so let's see, what can we do? We have to be careful of the double-sided because we have to, see, this wouldn't work because the hearts are going that direction. So it has to be, that might work. Let's try, let's see if that one might work. No, that one might work. Nope, nope, nope. Plain. Let's, oh, what's on this side? Oh, let's try this one. Okay, so we're gonna have to cut this down to the 6 inches, which is right there. Cut this one down. While we are at it, let's see here. I need a new blade pretty soon. Okay, so let's see. What are we gonna do? Okay, let's do this one. All right, yeah. So I'm gonna match up the points and get the bone folder. The best thing ever. Best invention ever. And then you're gonna flip this over. It's hard to bend it because it's so thick. Okay, so that looks about right. Okay, then we're gonna take this and we're gonna fold it over like that. Super simple. And we're gonna take this side, oops, and fold it over like that. And that's gonna look like that. So if you want the stripes here, then just open it back up and then refold it on the lines, the opposite direction. I think I like it like that because then the stripes are on the back side. So we're gonna put the little bit of glue on here. I don't think this Elmer's is working too well. Maybe I put too much. I don't normally use this, but it was available, so that goes there and like that. Okay. No, yeah, it's gotta. Oops, I forgot. I want to trim that. Okay, and that's gonna go on there. And of course, I'll have to time lapse this video for this glue to dry. Okay, so that one's pretty good. Let's look at the sticker book that I got. Okay, so we've got this pink, oops, what do we have here? Okay, that's cute. We've got some blue. Okay, how about, this is cute. Hi guys, I'm sorry about that. So my first video cut out, then I tried a second one and it only went for like 30 seconds. So here's just a little quick update. I finished this little envelope. I put this sticker on here and then I put the pink heart on this one. So that's it. I started making another one. I wanted to use the, is this working? Yeah, it's working. Yay, it's still going. I started working on this one in my last video and then I looked and my camera stopped. So I don't know what's going on. So anyways, I'm gonna try and work on that one later. But anyway, so this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys have a great Valentine's Day. And I've got some really cute spring style gift card holders. It's a different style than this that I'm gonna be doing a video on, and I will be showing that one in another couple weeks. Alrighty, take care and have a great day. Bye.